In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to hosting mode on the Airbnb app. This process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring that you can make the transition smoothly and efficiently. Let's start by making sure you have the Airbnb app downloaded and installed on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't done that yet, take a moment to download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you have the app, go ahead and open it. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the Airbnb platform via the app. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar home screen with numerous options and listings. The second step we need to focus on is logging in if you haven't done so already. Hit the login button, which is usually located towards the bottom of the welcome screen. Enter your credentials. That's your email and password, ensuring they're correct to avoid any login issues. You may also be prompted with a two-step verification process if you've enabled it, which is a great practice to keep your account secure. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the bottom toolbar. Towards the far right side, you should notice the profile icon. Tap on it to access your profile details and see a range of options related to your account. Now that you're in your profile section, the next thing to do is look for the Switch to Hosting option. This is the crucial step to move from a guest user interface to a hosting view. Normally, this option is placed prominently on your profile page to facilitate ease of access. Tap on Switch to Hosting and voila, you've successfully entered hosting mode. You'll notice that the interface has now changed to better suit the needs of a host. Several new options will be visible, tailored specifically for those managing listings. You'll now see options like calendar, listings, and messages. Each of these features serves an important role. Calendar helps you manage booking dates, listings gives you the control to edit or add new properties, and messages is where you communicate with your guests. Switching to hosting mode is an essential action for anyone planning to host on Airbnb. This transformation not only allows you to manage your property efficiently, but also enables you to interact with your guests smoothly. I hope this guide has been helpful and informative. If you ever wish to go back to guest mode, simply repeat the steps and look for the Switch to Traveling option in your profile section. Remember, good preparation and knowledge of the app are keys to providing a great experience for your guests. Thank you for tuning in and happy hosting.